Hi guys, I'm going to be showing you how to do a protective style on your hair. I'm going to show you how to do some spring twists. So I'm just showing you my hair. It is washed, conditioned, and prepped for braiding. I had parted it in 4 sections just for ease and manageability. So I'm pulling out my hair now. As you can see, it's still a little bit wet. Well, it's not really wet, it's more moisturized. So I'm going to be trying out the hair Xpression twisted up, the springy afro twist, and the one that I got is 16 inches.
A few moments later.
So what I like about this hair is that it's pre-sectioned, it mimics natural hair, and it's really springy, and I really like that. So I went ahead and did the back because I had started to do it and it wasn't coming out correctly. So I had to start the back, and then before you know it, I did all of this. This method that I wanted to show you of how I did the spring twist is I section a piece of my hair and then I begin to braid it. Now I don't braid it all the way down. You can do that if you want to, but I didn't want to do that. So I braid it maybe about an inch and a half, 2 inches in some places. And the reason I'm braiding it down is because I want this to be very secure when installing the twists, and it's going to be secure because it is a braid. When you consider a twist and a braid is much more secure than a twist. So after braiding it down the 1 inch, I inserted my crochet needle and I crocheted a piece of hair into the section. I ensured that the hair is lined up correctly because I didn't want one end to be longer than the other, and I just begin twisting. So I think the key to getting the perfect spring twist is how to twist. I had to twist from right to left, and that is how I was able to achieve this very springy twist. Now I don't normally twist from right to left, so this hairstyle took me a really long time because I'm not doing it in my natural twisting state. So if you twist the other way around, it's not going to look good. It's going to look so bad. I'm going to show you an example of how it will look. So stick around till the end of the video and I will show you what it will look like if you twist it the other way. But I'm going to show you my technique just a few more times. Not a lot, so bear with me. I just section off my hair and I'm doing it like medium small sections, and then I just braid down. After braiding down for maybe an inch or two, I insert my crochet hook and then I pull the hair through that loop. When I pull the hair, always ensure that it is aligned because I want all the twists to be on the same length. I didn't want some of the twists to be long and some of the twists to be short and then hair left over and look at something. So I had to ensure that the hair was the same length, and I just twist. You just twist from right to left. No particular method, just twist. And when you twist, it is supposed to come out like this. It is supposed to come out very springy and just very fluffy. I really like these twists a lot. So a couple of hours later, and I am almost finished my hair. I really wanted to show you guys like the last bit of me styling my hair. Please forgive my face. It was very late in the night, and as usual I had work in the morning. I don't know why I keep setting up myself like that, but at this point I was pretty much over it, and I really wanted to hurry up and do my hair. So that is why my face is looking like that. I was very tired. I remember being very tired while doing this hairstyle, but I do like the hair that I used. This is a very low maintenance hairstyle. You don't have to hot water it, which is what I love about this hairstyle. All you have to do is install the twists. Now this hairstyle lasted for about a month. I kept it in for a month, so I really enjoy this hairstyle. It's very lightweight, and yeah, what more can I say? I really enjoyed this hairstyle. Now this, I'm on the last section of hair, so this is just quite a relief for me, like you wouldn't even know. So remember, all you do is braid your hair about 1 inch or 2, insert the hair via crochet needle, and then you just twist from right to left. Yes, my back did hurt me, all part of me did hurt me, but I was just so happy to finish this hairstyle. Trust and believe me. And the best part about it is when I'm finished, I'm finished. I didn't have to hot water it or anything. But this is what I mean when I say if you twist it the other way, this is how it's gonna look. It's not gonna be springy. It's gonna be very long though, but it's not gonna be springy, and it's not gonna look juicy. So you decide the look that you want. I just wanted to come and show you how it would look if you twisted the other direction. So I went ahead, I just grabbed some mousse that I had, and I'm going to be putting some mousse all over my hair just to tame the flyaways a little bit. Since we don't put it in hot water, I would advise you not to skip this step because you really want to tame those flyaways, although you won't have much, you know. But still, this is just an extra step and an extra precaution. This is the final look. She looks like a baddie to me. So this hair is really juicy, it's really bouncy, and it's the fullness for me. Like seriously, this hairstyle is really nice. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed already. These are the kinds of videos that I do on my channel. And also leave a comment in the comment section down below and let me know if you've tried this hairstyle before, or if you've tried this hair before. Let me know in the comment section down below. As always, enough love, big up yourself, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.